Good evening, this is Dawood from the American Virginia University. Here I will highlight my case analysis for the midterm assignment in the development of successful project and program proposal. We know that all organizations, they should select their projects in the proper way. So the big companies and institutions should have a screening system. According to that screening system, they will prioritize and test their proposed projects, especially if they have a huge number of proposed projects. Our case study here that assume that you are an IT manager for a large healthcare system company. Lately, you have been requested to a lot of new projects, including system upgrades, support services, automated record keeping, billing, and etc. Now you decided that you need to create a system for screening a new project for the request from various departments within the healthcare. So you need to develop a project selection and screening system like GE's Tollgate process. We have 4 case questions. The first case question: what elements would you include in such system? There are 5 important elements should be including and should be tested on the proposed project. The realism, the first one, the capability of the project, the flexibility and the easy to use, and also the cost, and lately the comparability of the project. The second case question was: how many steps would you recommend? If we go back to the General Electric project, when they use it, they use 7 formal procedural checkpoints. So I do recommend also to use the same 7 checkpoints which they used, which is the identifying the customer requirement, proposal, negotiational, system design, detailed design, system verification, and production release. The third case question was: at what point in the process should gate be installed? Ideally, the stage gate process, or also known as the phase gate process, it's tend to guide you whether the product is the product development process through 5 main stages. Between each stage, a gate is used to determine either we will continue to the next gate, or we need to restructure or build our current state. So we recommend, and it's recommended to be used after the first step, or the gate to be installed after the first step, or the first stage, which is after the discovery, because mainly there is a discovery, there is a scoping, there is a building business card, development and testing and validation, and lately the launching. So before each stage, we have to install the gate to see where we continue or we will restructure our current process. The last case question was: how might the toll gate system for a software development company differ from one used by particular firm specializing in the development of commercial office building? I think that there is no big difference. The difference is only on the inputs that we will use it, the elements that we have it, the structure that we have it, related to the specific topic, while the steps or the stages which we will use, it will be the same, because it's at the end a structured program that we use to test our proposed project. So there is no main difference except in the inputs or the material that we will use it. Otherwise, for the system structure or the program structure, it's the same, but the inputs is different. Thank you so much.